Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about empathy map. So the empathy map is more important. We want to know, right? So in 5 stages of design thinking, empathy is more important stage to for the product development and other things. So identifying the right pain point plays a vital role in product improvement, process improvement, a kind of app development, startup and other things. So empathy plays a vital role for such kind of things, and empathy is more important in design thinking stages also. So empathy map is it speaks about 4 quadrants. 4 quadrants is what you feel, because when at one point of time we will be a kind of customer or consumer for that particular product. For example, let me take a kind of example. I am having mobile in my hand, right? So I am a customer or consumer of this particular mobile, right? So I will be having certain perception or a kind of certain things I will be conveyed, because if at one point of time I am a customer or consumer of this particular product, so I will be having certain things by a kind of observation or a kind of experience. I will be having certain kind of feedback about this particular product, that what I want to say about this particular product, say about this particular product by observing and other things, right? So if I'm not having this mobile in my hand, with some other friends are having this mobile, my friends are having this mobile, then what I want to do is I want to get the feedback from them, like what is the mobile is all about, how it's performing, whether you are satisfied with that particular product or not, and what are the things you are looking forward, what are the things has to be improved. Likewise, direct or indirect questions can be asked, and I can able to get feedback from my customer or consumer. That's one of the things. Next is from him, from my friend, how you feel while using this mobile, how you feel, whether you are fluctuated or you are very happy or you are very satisfied with that particular product or not. You can get the feelings or a kind of experience how they are doing or how they are using that particular product. Once they said something good about that particular product or something, right? So what you want to do is you have to have a kind of list. What are the things they have told, or what is a kind of experience when we use, we will be emotionally get connected to that particular product and so on. So what we want to do is we want to prioritize what are the advantages, what are the things about all about that particular product, what we feel, our kind of perception towards that particular product we want to fill it, right? So way of thinking, how we think about that particular product, that's we want to tell, and how we feel, because thinking is what I think I will say, right? So a kind of feedback as well as my uh, user experience I will be sharing, fine. And a kind of feedback also I can able to get it from the user, right? Next is what I see, what I observe, because even that particular product is consumed by or consumed or used by my friends, I can able to observe certain things from outside, right? Even I will be having certain mobile, even I can use his or her product for a while time, and after that I will be using certain product, different kind of brand I will be using. So with that particular point I can able to give my suggestion or my observation also I can taken into the consideration, right? So that particular product is what all about, whether it's good enough, what they are trying to say, what it's going to do, what is the particular function of the product, what are the additional features are there in that particular product. These are the things I can able to take it out, right? So these are the 4 quadrants of empathy map. What I hear is what are the feedbacks or what are the opinions I am getting for that particular product. I can able to write it in one quadrant. and what I can able to see, what I can observe from my product as well as from my that particular product which want to be improved. I can able to see, I can observe, and I can tell my opinion what the particular product user thinks and feels, how he thinks about that particular product, whether it's a positive or negative, or how the user experience such thing, his thinking and a kind of feeling about that particular product also can be taken. Say and do is what that particular product is function is all about, what it's trying to do, what is the future of that particular product is all about. From this, what are the pain points, what are the gain points? From that, if I am having that particular product like mobile, what are the gain or what are the positive points about that particular mobile, what are the demerits or pain of that particular product? This is what all about empathy map. Empathy map is, if you identify such kind of pain points, gain points and things, you can able to arrive the right way of empathizing things, so that you can it will get streamlined. When you are having a lot of pain point, you have to observe in different observe, you have to see, you have to get the feedback, you have to get a different kind of perception when you come up or when you come for arrival of pain point. Once you arrived at, you have to take to make, you have to make it into a problem statement. So you have to look into all kind of perception, and you have to make that empathy map to be more effective. So empathy map always refines your empathy part. So empathy part is plays a vital role in design thinking concept, in five stages of design thinking concept. And empathy map plays a vital role to define the right, or to identify the right pain point from the customer or consumer, or we can call it as from end user. Thank you.